The Honeywell Impact Pro High NRR Sound Amplification Electronic Earmuff is designed to amplify range commands and ambient sounds up to 4 times to 82 decibels. The built-in directional microphones automatically shut off amplification when ambient sound reaches 82 decibels for a more natural listening experience, while passively blocking out noise at 30 decibels. Rubberized pressure points prevent gunstock scratching, and a padded adjustable headband provide a secure and comfortable fit, while the ear cups offer a noise reduction rating of 30. An auxiliary input and 3.5mm connection cord are included to connect MP3 players and scanners, and these earmuffs run off 2 AAA batteries. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.